Hi, I'm Jamie Johnston. I am the digital feeding consultant for Aqua Group Scotland, where you might know Aqua Group for their feeding systems and their barges and cameras, but we're bringing something a bit different to Aquanor this year, which is our AI feeding system, Observe. It's quite new to the market, but it's aiming to make a real difference in fish farmers' feeding efficiency and also in making an impact in reducing overfeeding so we can have less impact on the environment in our industry.
Hi, my name is Mane Ullestad. I work as a project manager here in Norway at Aquaculture. We're here at Aquanor 2025. We always have a stand at Aquanor every year that Aquanor comes to Trondheim. We do a stand. It's a really good place for us to come to meet customers and new customers, and of course old friends, and also our colleagues from around the world also comes here, so it's a really great hotspot for us to be in. In Norway, we have yeast products and organic minerals that we provide for fish farmers. So the fish farmers are our customers, but also the feed producers like Biomar, Squid, and Cargill. And our products, it's very good for skin, gill and gut health for the fish. We also have a really big R&D project here in Norway. We collaborate with 3 different farmers along the coast of Norway. We have one up in the north of Norway, and we have one in the middle of Norway and one in the west coast of Norway, where we test our organic minerals alongside with algae oil as a replacement of fish oil. So this is a really big project, and Aquanor is a really good place for us to have meetings and meet all of our farmers that we collaborate with in this project.
Hi, my name is Trevor Gent. I'm the Director of Engineered Solutions with Illumichem. Illumichem is based in Denmark. We have offices around the globe. Essentially, we came to Aquanor because of the opportunity we see inside of the aquaculture, specifically in the recirculating aquaculture world. We work directly with the fish farmer to treat their waste. As soon as there's a fish in a pond, they have to feed it. That food comes out as both excess food as well as fish waste. We come in and step in and help them separate that fish waste and excess food from the water and turn it into a solid. But more importantly, what we do is we take the water and make it treatable and return it back to the ecosystem so that they meet their environmental permit. Inside the environmental permit, they're typically looking at phosphorus, nitrogen, COD, VOD, or total suspended solids. And those are the things that we focus on in terms of helping our clients. So ultimately, Illumichem came to Aquanor because we help the aquaculture farmers meet their environmental discharge permit for wastewater.
Hello, my name is Roar Bosen and I'm working for Aqua Equipment. We are doing closed containment system for fish farming in Norway and Scotland and other places in the world. This closed containment system we have, so you can see here on the screen behind me, it's made so we have no sea lice, we have reduced the diseases and have much better control over the production. So we believe this fiberglass closed containment system is the future for fish farming.
Alright, my name is Philippe Taliana, working for Pinnacle Ozone and BioUV Group. We're presenting UV disinfection and ozone disinfection for the aquaculture industry. So So we're using UV for disinfection of the pathogens, the virus and bacteria, and ozone will disinfect as well. We remove bacteria and colors, off flavor, all the geosmin and MIB that will have a positive effect on the flavor of the fish and the life of the fish. We're proposing sustainable technologies that don't use chemicals and lower energy consumption.
Welcome, I'm Mats Eidem from DNV, leading the Nordic region within aquaculture and marine biodiversity.
And my name is Martine Hanvik, heading up our innovation portfolio in digital solutions at DNV.
So we are here at Aqua this week trying to share our knowledge with industry on where the future of aquaculture is going. And the white paper that was launched in June in Norway clearly addresses the need for a digitized way of making sure of quality, sensoring and reporting of data is going. And DNV is having the rails to actually deliver this type of digital data to the industry and making sure that the data is qualified. So we try to address the value this brings to the customers, and one of them we have started on and addressed at this conference is AI-driven technical integrity qualification. Martine.
Yes, thank you. So we're actually very excited to be launching a new product here at Aqua called Smarter Compliance for Aquaculture. And as you're probably aware, regulations are just getting stricter and more complex. So fish farmers now have increasing issues actually staying compliant day to day. So we're using AI now to automate compliance so that it reduces the workload but also gives them continuous insights into their compliance status. So today on the technical side, we do certifications every 5 years, and then our fish farmers are quite unsure of their compliance in between those 5 years, whereas now they can actually get weekly updates on their compliance status that they can share with their stakeholders such as regulators, banks, insurance companies, etc. And we have been working with a lot of fish farmers in the process, and they're very excited about this.
And I think I would also add that DNV, as an independent third-party company, we try to utilize the knowledge and expertise from other industries and markets into the aquaculture business. So by sharing our existing knowledge and being this independent partner, we would like to contribute to making building trust to the aquaculture business today and in the future.
Good afternoon, I'm Louise Battle from DSM Firmenich. We're an animal nutrition and health company, and we're really excited to be here in Aqua in Trondheim, definitely a hub of the salmon farming industry. DSM A&H is probably most well known for its Carafil pink, and funny enough we're celebrating 40 years of Carafil pink production this year, so that's the astaxanthin that goes into salmon to make it pink. We also have a range of essential vitamins, premix and performance solutions, as well as some digital services such as Estelle, which is a full life cycle assessment or footprinting software with modules specifically developed for salmon.
Hi, so I'm Phil Ashley, CEO from Fibron Cable. We are a dedicated manufacturer of underwater cables based in the UK. This is the first time we've come to Aqua, and we're really interested in talking to a range of people about what we can do for them in manufacturing new and exciting bespoke subsea cable applications.
My name is Magnus. I'm the marketing manager of Fisk Aquaculture Systems. And you are currently looking at the Protectus, our flagship closed cage system at our Aquanor stand. The closed cage system basically works by introducing smolt at about 100 grams, and then you load them up to like a kilo, 1.5 kilo, and then you put them into the open nets. So you can kind of look at it as some kind of kindergarten for the fish. And by doing this, you will get a much more resilient fish. When it's closed, you kind of replicate the natural environment for the fish, but without all the threats, right? So all our 24 cages and 80 production cycles, we have never had any lice or escapes. We're looking forward to this exact model being built right now, and it's probably being set out this what's it called, autumn? Yeah, this autumn. So we're looking forward to that. I can just maybe say that sentence once again.
Yes.
So we are really looking forward to this model being set out in a couple of months. Thank you.
My name is Kylie DeCunha. I'm a fish biologist by training and the director of special projects with Genus Wave. Genus Wave is a science-based company dedicated to implementing technologies that prevent human-wildlife conflict. But our main focus is the award-winning targeted acoustic sonar technology, which prevents marine mammals from entering areas of conflict or wildlife. It was born out of efforts from the University of St. Andrews, and Genus Wave now holds the exclusive license to the patent for this technology. Key features of this technology include taxon-specific targeting, which limits impacts to non-target species, consistent effectiveness over time, so no habituation seen in any of our studies, and much lower noise doses compared to conventional acoustic deterrents, less noise pollution overall. We'd love to chat with you more about how this technology can be implemented on your salmon farm, fishery, or any other application where it may develop. So please contact us to get in touch. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Espen Jacobsen, Managing Director of Nazi Maritime, and I'm here with Stefano Coni, the founder of Aegis Marine. We're here at Aquanor, and we are presenting our cranes, real marine cranes, as you can see, that is designed for harsh environments in the marine industry. We have seen tremendous growth the last years. People are looking into getting more quality, longer lasting products, and we're happy to see so many customers coming here to visit us at the stand.
Hi, I'd like you to just introduce yourself so people know who you are.
Yep. Hi, I'm James Dick. I'm Technical Manager within the Institute of Aquaculture at the University of Stirling.
And why is the University of Stirling and the Institute here at Aquanor today?
Yeah, we find it really important for the Institute to be part of the Scottish Pavilion. We obviously have an international reach in terms of our research and our commercial activities, and the Aquanor site is a great opportunity for us to interact with former students who are now part of industry, as well as introducing yourselves to new businesses that are available to us.
So when you introduce yourselves to these new businesses, what are your key messages to them?
Yeah, so we come from sort of three different strands. Obviously, we are the Institute of Aquaculture and we provide education and continuous professional development. So we're talking about the various research projects we can offer, and we also come to it from an enterprise perspective, because we have analytical services that we work really closely with a lot of the people who attend Aquanor, and even have developed a new relationship with an algae company this morning based on the Scottish Pavilion, which looks like we'll be looking at algae and pets and various products going forward, so really exciting. And then we come into it from services background in terms of our new facilities that are available, as well as our existing freshwater and marine facilities.
So you mentioned new facilities, so that's a big thing at the moment. Tell us about that, the new hub that is up and running, right?
Yeah, so we're really excited about that. And the National Aquaculture Technology and Innovation Hub is a £20 million investment from UK and Scottish Government. It's based on the site at Stirling University, and it basically replaces our old tropical aquarium from the 1970s with a state-of-the-art facility that can do all sorts of freshwater research. So we have the capability of running large trials with 18 tank systems of 500 litre capacity, all the way down to zebrafish style tags to allow us to look at behaviours and things like that. We also have the facility has the capability of running from 6 degrees to 30 degrees, so multi-species targets are where we would like to go. So, and as you say, we are supposed to pick up the keys this week, which will allow us to start doing all the exciting stuff like biofilter development and testing everything out so that we're ready for the official opening, which should be about the second week in January, where we're open for business. And another reason why we're here at Aquanor is to bring all collaborators in and show what we have to offer going forward.
It's so exciting, and it also sounds like it's been a very busy, hectic time for you guys at the Institute, so I'm hoping that you still have had some downtime and had some fun in Trondheim, because I know you like to party, is that right?
Well, we certainly have to do the socialising, that's part of being at Aquanor, so yeah, so we'll be doing some business tonight down at an R&D visit, but I'm sure we'll meet later on in some of the famous hostelries that Trondheim has to offer. But it's been great, and I think it just shows the value of having a Scottish pavilion at this event. So we're very thankful to HIE for pulling all of that together. But the benefit of being on a Scottish pavilion alongside our Irish people next door and the Danish people beyond that is, I don't think we can measure how important that is and how people have been complimentary to us on how the stand looks.
Thank you so much, James, that's brilliant.
Okay.
Hey, I am René from KD Group in Denmark, and we've chosen to be here at Aquanor 2025 as a producer for treatment of the wastewater from RAS sites. The whole idea of RAS was to ensure that the oceans and rivers were not polluted by the effluents, the feces from the RAS sites, which is exactly why we're here, because we treat water, we treat the sludge, and we ensure that the RAS facilities can grow within the limits. So we are the enabler of growth and the protector of the environment. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Joshua De Santiago. I'm with Lindgren Pittman. I'm an engineer at the head of R&D and sales of these electric net cleaners we call the Stingray E230. So this is an all-electric net cleaner meant for salmon farms and any other open ocean farms you have. We clean any non-metallic netting with VibraClean propellers. So that's our patented vibration cleaning technology. Low-speed propellers create shaking of the net that take off mussels, algae, and seaweed. It's an ROV driven by a pilot with a joystick. We have net-safe tracks on the ROV as well that we can see on these portions. These are stainless steel studs on a urethane base that are flexible, so they let go of the net very easily, no catching. We've had 12 years of operation with no net catching at all, no net damage. We also have a study done on the noise decibels underwater, and we've seen that the fish are not disturbed at all by our cleaning and will eat the same day as soon as that stingray moves on to the next pen. We also only operate with about an 11 kilowatt generator, so compared to another traditional high pressure cleaner, you'll save about 90% of your fuel cost over a year. And it's a lot less noise on deck, and you'll save on deck space without the need of a large generator. We also pride ourselves in the company, over 50 years of development and service and business. of making very reliable machines. So we have a customer that has about a year now without any maintenance on 2 of his Stingray 230 units. And if there is any maintenance to be done, we have parts available 24 hours to ship anywhere in the world. We have offices in Chile where we have most of our products now that have parts in stock. And we also do training of your own crew if they want to do the maintenance themselves. We can provide that service over the phone. They can come to our facility and we'll train them there. In general, we want to bring out to the fish farming shows to show that there is a different way to do net cleaning. You don't have to do the high pressure cleaning or cavitation cleaning. You can do it for much less cost of ownership, much less upfront cost, and you can do it in a fish friendly manner. So you'll be able to clean 2,000 square meters or more per hour and maintain all your nets. So you'll be able to hit the mussels, hit the algae, and then be able to do it even faster, doing maintenance cleaning all around your nets. So basically, we have the widest, most effective, most fish-friendly net cleaner on the market. We're ready for you to come and see our stand.
Hello, my name is Thomas Myhrvold. I'm the CEO of Møre Aquaculture. We have now been here for 3 days at Aqua Nor. It's been a really exciting exhibition this year. It's been a lot of people visiting us and a lot of good clients coming in at the booth. So this year at Møre Aquaculture we are launching 3 new technologies that I would like to present here now. Our first technology that you see here is our sludge handling system. We call it BioSize. Our approach to the solution is that we see the bio-waste as a resource. We really believe that the BioSize or the bio-waste will be a resource going forward. The technology we have developed allow us to have a more dry waste coming back up to the surface. So we have got a lot of interest in our new solutions. We believe this solution will change the market going forward, and we're happy to announce this here at Aqua Nor this year. So here you will see our new semi-closed solution. This has also now been launched during Aqua Nor 2025. So this is a solution where we have 3 pumps into the pen. We also have a skirt on the side, mounted on the side, and we are pumping fresh water in from below the skirt. And the skirt can also easily be lifted up if the weather conditions requires that. So this is a solution that we have now been had out testing for some months, and it's a launch now to the clients. So at this part of the booth, we have a model of our new submersible system. For our submersible systems, we have designed a new air dome, which allows salmon to breathe below the water. We also have introduced a new winch that we have designed that we are ready to deliver. And the complete design of the system will be delivered by Møre Aquaculture going forward. What size pen?
Hello there. Hi, my name is John McPhee. I'm from a company called Modov Limited. We're based in Inverness, Scotland. And this is our product. This is our ROV. It's called the Reaper 500. We've got quite a lot of these units out in Scotland at the moment on hire, and fish farmers are using it for biomass retrieval on their farm. It works via 8 thrusters at the top, so it's very, very manoeuvrable. It's got great suction at the front. It's all electric, which people like. It runs through a 70-metre umbilical, and it can be operated just using quite a small boat and quite a small generator of 6 kVA. So we're here in Norway just now for the first time. This is our first time at Aqua Nor, and we're just here to show our product, and it's been really popular so far. We're glad we came. We're meeting people from Norway, Chile, Canada. The whole world really is here in Norway. So come to I think in 2027 we'll definitely come again because we've had a great experience here so far. Thank you very much, Aquanor.
Hi, my name is Bjørn Mathisen. I'm the sales manager of Norwater, a Norwegian company that produces reverse osmosis systems. These systems make fresh water out of seawater. This is a huge benefit for in the aquaculture to bathe the salmon and treat it for sea lice particularly, and AGD, which is an amoebic gill disease. We are here in Aquanor to meet up with current clients and potential new clients to provide our systems for the world markets.
I'm interested to see you tell me a bit more about
The Ocean Genetics, I'm Paul Wilson, production manager for Ocean Genetics in Shetland Isles, and we're here to show collaboration between the two companies, Shetland and Ireland, Kelly Wags. So we're here to show off our gangway, our products, see what we can do. So we're here to assist, meet new clients, and the existing clients, see how we can assist with aquaculture's growing challenges.
That sounds exciting. So Martin, can you tell me a little bit more about those companies?
Both companies, we came together nearly 3 years ago with an collaborative partnership. The idea was to grow our capabilities in aquaculture, in design and engineering. The two companies are very much hand in glove with their backgrounds. We're both origins of the coastal community, us being Kelly Wags and Ocean Genetics being in the Shetlands. So our skill sets and our knowledge and our values are very similar. We're much smaller company in Kelly Wags, but we can bring a lot of engineering design and innovation to the partnership, and then Ocean Genetics being very much involved in aquaculture for over 40 years, are very much in the industry. They're providing all types of solutions for delicing and transferring fish, angling systems, etc. and all the rest. So that's very exciting for us as a company because we got our capabilities and knowledge in Ireland. Two companies together now, we can kind of broaden our backs between collaboration and industry demand. And so yeah, it's very exciting times for us. We're together now for 2 years, and we see ourselves being leaders in developing innovation solutions and technology in the future for agriculture.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jamie Gaskell, CEO of Poseidon Ocean Systems. What we do is we build fish life support systems. What's a fish life support system? In our case, it's a system where we are the OEM of our own super energy efficient compressors, oxygen concentrators, and oxygen diffusion. Those three things combined make a life support system which allows the farmer to modify the environment that the fish are in the sea. The reason that's required is that given climate change, Mother Nature has all kinds of special things to throw at the farmer on a regular basis, whether it be low oxygen, high temperature, harmful algae, jellyfish, and sea lice larvae. And so what our system does, it allows the farmer to mitigate those things, to improve their survival, to improve their growth, and improve their yield per smoke. And so that's the real benefit. And we do it in a way that's the most energy efficient system in its class in the industry. Essentially, we give some control back to the farmer, and we allow them to kind of tip the balance in favor of the fish, improving fish welfare, improving yield, which really positively impacts the three pillars of all salmon farmers, which is increase your harvest volume, improve your sustainability, and decrease your cost per kilo.
Hi there, my name is Stian Johnsen. I'm the CEO of Sterner AS.
We are located here today at Aqua North together with Oxygon. Oxygon and Sterner has partnered up for several years. Our company is actually delivering basically land-based aquaculture system, RAS floater system, and of course that is quite high-end solutions. And with regards to that, we need a lot of monitoring, a lot of sensors. That's why we have partnered up with Oxygon. It's been a very good relationship for several years. Reason for being here at Aqua North is of course to catch up with all the vendors, all the clients, and also update ourselves on all the new technology which are available in the market. I think this is a business which is growing extremely fast when it comes to complexity. Growing fish on land in closed systems is much more process related to previous traditional sea catching. So it's a tremendous effort which has to be put in education, which put into new technology, and also understand the integration between all these different kind of systems. So I'm very happy to be here. Sterner has been on this exhibition for I think since '85 or something, way before my time of course. But I think this has been a very good success for us over the last decades. So pleased to be here, and I will welcome you all to visit our stand here in D353.
Hi, my name is Charles Abernethy. I'm the Global Product Manager at Hydrotech by Veolia Water Technologies. And we are here at Aqua North 2025, booth D363, where we are launching our exciting new Hydrotech Hybrid Filter Hybrid Series, as you can see behind us here. As the name implies, it is a hybrid filter. It combines the best of both technologies from existing drum and disc filter to bring out and elevate the features of each product. So please come take a look at our booth at Aqua North 2025. Thank you.
Scott Smorsky from Trondheim, Scotland. We're over here in Trondheim, our colleagues from the Faroe Islands and Trondheim Method in Norway, showcasing our product range, various nets, exciting new developments in fish. Catching up with colleagues from